Good morning. I just got back from vacation. It's not coffee walk. It's not Friday. It's Tuesday. 2 for Tuesday in the body shop. One of my favorite things to do is see what's going on in here. I got two special CJs. So this first one is an 86 CJ-7. The last year they built these Jeeps. What's special about this Jeep to me is it's factory black. This has been in the garage for 22 years. The paint would not buff out, so we blew it apart, base coat, clear coat on an exceptionally rust-free, damage-free body. Which was neat about this Jeep, and we're going to hit on this later this week because this Jeep will go through the process of the shop really quick. It's a last of great breed. It's a Dana 44. What was very unusual about this Jeep is a 4-cylinder. Manual steering and manual brakes. Well, we're going to convert it to one of my favorite motors, which is the 4.2 258. I'm going to put Mopar fuel injection on it, which I really like. I'm going to add power steering and power brakes. So check it out. Beautiful black 86. Another reason I want to show this Jeep to you guys is my idea of what I want to do to this Jeep is put the white cow letters on, which is pretty common, but I want to put a white soft top. I think it looks fantastic. So I want to hear if you guys love or hate that idea. And then from there, it's going to put black interior. The Jeep does have rocker blades. They're just off right now. It does have the gauge cluster surround panel. We already have the wheels in process of being restored. We've got the factory tires. So it's got a really good factory look. The hiding under the hood, power steering, power brakes, Mopar fuel injection. This will be a killer Jeep to drive every day. The other option is we can go with a tan soft top and tan interior, or we can put half doors on it, and I've got a blue Supertop we can put on it. So let me know what you guys think. And also, one of my favorite stripe kits is the 86 Renegade kit in the blues. I'm thinking about striping it. So we've got a blank slate on a black 86 with a Dana 44. Please give me your comments on that. Then I want to show you one back here that's having to be redone. So we've got another Jamboree in the shop. I believe it's Jamboree 135. It's actually Jamboree 134 with 135,000 miles. What's cool about this, when you walk up and you see this serpentine drive on the motor. You know it's delivered new in California. I love about California Jeeps, they're usually rust-free. So let's look at the floors in this Jeep. Floors are fantastic. Now, this Jeep, believe it or not, has had a body off, frame up, nut bolt restoration. The color is supposed to be Topaz Gold 2H. It is so far off, we're going to have to take the whole Jeep apart. We were hoping we could just redo the outside base coat, clear coat with show quality paint, because the paint's very poorly done. Jeep's also had 2 patches done back here, nothing we would ever do, to reinforce the tire carrier, so we'll put 2 new corners on it. But it's such a shame that somebody put this many hours into a Jeep and put such a poor quality paint job on it. So for those of you tracking these Jamborees, number 134, we'll be come back together with show quality paint and it'll look right again. So there you go. 2 for Tuesday in the body shop. Please like, tag, share, and follow, and let us know how you want the black CJ to turn out.